Beast mode si Jamal Murray, suspense game 6 mga idol. Magic bunot sinagip ng 23 years old ang Denver Nuggets, hindi makapaniwala si SGA. Dagger ni Brody. Game 6 mga idol, Oklahoma City Thunder versus Denver Nuggets. Start of the game, Jamal Murray 4-point play kagad para sa home team. Sumagot naman si Lu Dort ng cutting dunk mula sa assist ni SGA at 3-pointer, 5 quick points mga idol. Well, good start naman for the Denver Nuggets. Umabot ng 8 points sa kanilang biggest lead dito lang sa first quarter, pero nahabol yan ng mga young players ng OKC Thunder. SGA last 1 second, that's a floating bunk shot. 31-28 mga idol, end of first quarter lamang ang Denver. Second frame, may iniindang injury si SGA mga idol. Russell Westbrook off the bench. Napaganda pa yung kabos na tira ni Peyton Watson. Excellent defense ng OKC Thunder. Jalen Williams steal and Chet Holmgren with the finish. Holmgren in transition, flies in there. 8-minute mark, tie game at 37. Chet Holmgren from the free throw line mga idol. Tingnan nyo yung gather step na yun. Napakalayong layup. Nakalamang na rin ng OKC Thunder mga idol halfway ng second frame. Late second quarter, napatake over si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Dito na unti-unting lumobo ang lamang ng OKC Thunder. Umabot na ng 12 points ang inahabol ng Denver Nuggets dahil sa 10 points ni SGA. Pero nagka-problema, nakuha niya ang kanyang pang-apat na foul. For the first time since October 2022, nag-commit ng 4 na foul sa first half si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Nahabol tuloy ng Mile High City ang OKC at naitabla sa 58 ang talaan habang nasa upuan si SGA. Lu Dort at the buzzer, 3-point shot mga idol, 61-58 in favor of OKC. Fires to Dort with one, launches, playing with 4 fouls, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander count the basket plus foul and 3-pointer from top of the key. 3-point lead for OKC. Hindi nagbabago ang defense ng Denver, 2-3 zone pa rin. Tabla lamang lang ang nangyari dito sa third quarter. Nag-step up ang mga role players both teams. Isaiah Hartenstein for the Oklahoma City Thunder. MPJ naman para sa 2023 NBA champion. Under 2 minutes remaining ng third quarter, game changer si Julian Strawther. Una na ipasok niya ang kanyang first field goal via 3-pointer, nasundan pa ng isang tres. Now to the corner, Strawther again, hit another one! At alley-oop layup mula sa assist naman ni Jamal Murray. Fires underneath, Strawther puts it in! Nakapag-draw pa ng foul sa SGA 1 segundo bago matapos ang third frame. That's 2 free throws. Going into fourth quarter, hawak ng Denver ang momentum 90-82. Impressive game for Jamal Murray to start the fourth quarter. 3-point basket, 25 points and counting mga idol. OKC possession, SGA blocked by Westbrook. Without Nikola Jokic, nakapag